Let's go to work. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Alright, hello guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like it, and my name is Ibo. I am planning to make these kind of videos every week. So I'm driving a truck almost like 6 years, and then right now I am changing my cabin filter. Usually I have to change this filter every 6 months, but this time it's already past 6 months. Looks like it's really bad. So put the new one in right now and ready to go. My truck is 2006 Volvo. Little bit old, but fine for me now. So this is Monday morning. I'm at the shipper right now. This load is coil, too big coil. I really don't like this kind of load because it's too much work to secure. Also, the main thing is it's very dangerous load. I got my load now, everything's secured, ready to go. This load I have to deliver around 600 miles going to Nebraska. So my company has a dedicated lane, which means every time we have a same pickup and same delivery, same price load. I gotta back in this door, but unfortunately this door is broken, won't open. So somebody will come to repair this door. I gotta wait for a couple minutes. Ooh, my damage is broken. That's why I'm telling you guys earlier, this load is very dangerous. If something happened on the road, if I'm trying to stop suddenly, something bad will happen.
Okay, so the total weight is 39,603. You're gonna go back into door 3 or 4, okay?
Okay,
Do you know where you're going?
this way, right?
Yep, just right down here around the corner.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Once I load it, come back here and
Come back
take the
up and get
paperwork.
your paperwork.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. I'm here at the pickup. I used to come here a lot. I will pick up the long bars from here. Going to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I have 2 stops. I remember this place is load pretty quickly. So I'm not worried about that. Okay, I'm gonna get, I think these are my loads, 18 of them, 12 feet long. So they're gonna load me 7 in the front, 7 in the back, and 4 on top of it. And then I need 2 wood in the front, 2 wood in the back, 2 wood on top of it, 3 wood for the bulkhead in front, also 3 wood in the back for the bulkhead. I have 11 damage right now because one of them just broken previous load, and then they're gonna sell damage there. I think it's like $10-15. And then I asked the guy, I only need one, and then he'll give me one for free. So yeah, thank you. Okay, they're gonna unload me outside, so I gotta park properly and then unstrap the load. This is the first stop. So total I have 18 bundles, so they take 8 of them. Rest of them is the second stop. All of the half-inch bars are here. So they put a little bit messy. 3 of them on top of it, 3 of them in the back, 2 in the front. Total 8. I didn't know about that. I didn't ask. I should ask. But that's fine. They're gonna unload me. People think I'm bragging about what I'm doing, but I'm not. I'm just showing you guys how I work, how much money I can make as a truck driver. Just showing you guys honest about the truck driving job. If you watch my video more and more, you will understand me, so I'm not worried about that. After I pick up this load, my truck suddenly won't start. I tried to start a couple different times and then it won't work, and then I just slept over there, and tomorrow morning I am trying to start from the bottom of my truck. You know, just trying to connect with the two wires on the starter. It's my second time trying to do this, so something happened, but finally my truck is started. So my next load is coming from Norfolk, Nebraska to Indiana, a little bit far, like around 700 miles. Usually people are saying to me like, you're taking a cheap load, don't take cheap load. But I don't understand why are these truck drivers saying to me like that. Because everybody knows going from Chicago to anywhere it's good, like $3 a mile, but going back to Chicago is always bad. $1 something per mile, not even $2 a mile, especially in this market. On this day, I don't have time to cook, so I just bought food from Iowa 80 truck stop, the largest truck stop in the Midwest.
Чигтэр нөгөө цас бороо холилдоод орж явах үед хурдны зам дээр нэг хүчтэй тоормолсон байхгүй. Чи энэ урагшаага ингэж голгож орж ирсэн. Энэ ингэ салга гараад байна шүү дээ. Өөрөд орох хэрэгтэй юм байна л та. За явахд бэлэн боллоо. Яа энэ гурван болтод аль нь таартай болов? 17 үзнэ. Яг таарч шүү дээ.
So after everything, I went to my yard and going home, relaxed 2 days and go out to work. Before that, when I'm at the yard, I changed my mud flat because it was broken. So last 2 weeks, I drove 3,800 miles. My gross income is $8,600. My pure profit is $4,640 after all the expenses. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and see you guys on the next week. Bye.